Hello children, this is grade 6 chapter 10 mensuration exercise 10.1. So let us move on. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure once. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth and area of a square is side into side. This you have to remember. Now come on, let us move on to exercise 10.1. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figure. So perimeter means the length of the boundary. So of any closed figure. So how to find the perimeter? You just have to add all the sides. So in the first figure, all these sides you have to add to get the perimeter. So it will be 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Second one, add all the side length. So 23 plus 35 plus 40 plus 35 equal to 133 centimeter. And figure C, it is all the sides are equal. So what it is, what figure it is, children? Rhombus. It's a rhombus. This figure B is a trapezium. Figure A is, what the figure? It's a quadrilateral. So now the last one, what's the figure? It's a pentagon. And what's the, all the sides are equal in the pentagon. So what do you call that pentagon? Yes, it is a regular pentagon. So if it is a regular pentagon, instead of adding 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, what we can do? Side into number of sides. So 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Next question. We have to find the perimeter. Okay, so many numbers are there, no? So count all of them, little bit difficult. So what we will do is, first I will count how many 3s are there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 3s are there. Is it? So that means 8 into 3. Next I will count how many 4s are there. How many 4s are there? Okay, 4 4s are there. Okay, now next I will count how many 2s are there. How many 2s are there? That also 4. Now I have to count, yes, 1. How many 1s are there? Yes, 4 1s are there. Now you have to add all these. So what I will get? Perimeter 52 centimeter. Now in the second figure also there are 2.5, 2.5, 0.5, 0.5, 4, 4. They are all 2, 2 are there. So first let me add 2.5 into 2. 2.5 are there, no? So 5.05 centimeter. Then 2, 0.5 are there. 0.5. See this 2 length, 0.5. So that I will add 1. Next 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. And 1 is there, this one. So everything together. So let us add them. So what we will get? It is 15 centimeter. Is it clear? Next question. The lid of a rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So it's a rectangular box and lid of the lid of the rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter means length is 40 and breadth is 10. It has to be sealed all around the tape. So what is the length of the tape means what? What is that connection with this rectangle? Yes, it is the perimeter of the rectangle. So let us find length of the tape required equal to perimeter of the rectangular box. So the length and breadth of the rectangular box is given. So what's the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 40 plus 10, 2 into 50, which is equal to 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeter of tape is required. Next one, a tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? Okay, let us see here. The length and breadth are given as a mixed unit, no? 2 meter 25. So we have to make it to 1 unit. So 2 meter 25 centimeter means what? Let us see. 2 meter 25 centimeter. Breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. So perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. So it is taken as 2 meter 25 centimeter. You can take it as 225 centimeter, or if you are converting it into meter, it is 2.25. Both way you can do it. So here I have done it as 2.25. I converted into meter, but you can do it in centimeter also. Then 225 plus 150 will come. That is it. So the answer is 7.50. If you are doing it in centimeter, then you will get the answer as 750 centimeter you will get. So we can write it as mixed. So 7 meter 50 centimeter. Is it clear? Next one. What is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? So this is the photograph. We have to frame it. Frame means the boundary. So we have to find the perimeter of the photograph. Perimeter of the photograph, which is equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 32 plus 21, which is equal to 2 into 53, that is 106 meter. Since it is more than 100, I can convert and write it as 1 meter 6 centimeter. 06 also correct, 1 meter 6 centimeter. Next, question 5. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. What is the length of the wire needed? So this is our rectangular field and it has to be fenced 4 rows with 4 rows of wire. So 4 rows we have to fence it. So that means to find the length of the wire required, what we have to find? The length of the wire required equal to 4 into perimeter of the rectangular land. The perimeter, that into 4, because 4 rounds we have to do now. So length is 0.7 kilometer, breadth is 0.5 kilometer. So the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So what we will get? 2 into 1.2, that is equal to 2.4 kilometer. Now what to do? This is the perimeter, that 4 rounds. So 4 into, so the length of the wire required equal to 4 into 2.4, which is equal to 9.6 kilometer of rope is required. Clear? Understood? Next one. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. First one, a triangle of side 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So simply you have to add them, that's all. So what is it? Here's 3 plus 4 plus 5, 12 centimeter. Very, very simple. An equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So you can 9 plus 9 plus 9 instead of doing that. What you can do if all the sides are equal? What you have to do? 3 into 9. 3 into side, 3 into 9, so 27 centimeter. Next, an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So two sides, the equal sides are 8 centimeter, third side 6 centimeter. So 8 plus 8 plus 6. So the perimeter is 22 centimeter. Now question number 7. Find the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Very simple, just have to add all the sides. That's all. So it is 39 centimeter. Now moving on to question number 8. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 meter. So hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides are there. All the sides equal length, that is 8 meter. So the perimeter of regular hexagon, what to do? 6 into length of one side, that is 6 into 8, which is equal to 48 meter. Now question number 9. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 20. Side we have to find, perimeter is given. So a square, we know that in the square all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. And what is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square means 4 into side. 4 into side is 20 centimeter. So what will be the side? What will be the side? It is 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 5 meter. The side of the square. So when perimeter is given and you have to find the side of the square, what you have to do? You need to divide the perimeter by 4 because it has 4 sides. So perimeter divided by 4 will give you the side. Once again I will say perimeter divided by 4 will give you the length of the side of a square. Sit. Next one. So side of the square is 5 meter. Okay, let us move on to question number 10. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is its each side? Okay, pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. So 5 sides are equal. So all the sides are equal length. So what is the perimeter? You have to add all the side of 5 sides are there. So 5 into A. So 5 into A, 5 into side is 100 centimeter. So what is the side? How we will get it? 100 divided by 5. The perimeter divided by number of side. Perimeter divided by number of side, which will give you the length of each side. So it is 20 meter. 100 by 5 equal to 20 meter. Now question number 11. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular hexagon? So this string is bent to form these shapes. After bending, the string will become the shape of a square, a shape of equilateral triangle, a shape of a regular hexagon. So we are using the length of the string to form all these shapes, is it? So suppose this is a string of length 30 centimeter. This string is, we are going to bend to form the square. So what will happen? The same string is in the shape of the square. So the length of the square is what? The length of the string is equal to the perimeter of the square. Got it? Because these 4 sides made up of this string, no? So this perimeter of this square is equal to length of the string. So that is 30 centimeter. So perimeter of the square is 30 centimeter. So what will be the side? That is 4 into side is 30 centimeter. Equal to 30 by 4. You can divide it. So when you divide, you will get 7.5. So the side of the square is 7.5. When you bent a string of length 30 centimeter to form a square, each side will be of length 7.5 centimeter. Now what will happen if it is an equilateral triangle? So here also the total length of the string is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. No. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is length of the string. That is equal to 3 into side. 3a equal to 30. So a equal to 30 by 3, 10 centimeter. So each side of the equilateral triangle will be 10 centimeter. Now if it is a regular hexagon, then 6 sides are there. So the perimeter of the hexagon equal to the length of the string 30 centimeter. So 6 sides are there. So 6a equal to 30 centimeter. So the side is what? 30 divided by 6, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Hope you understood this. Now moving on to question number 12. Two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. What is the third side? So two side length is given and the perimeter is given. We need to find the third length. So it is very simple. You have to add these two sides and subtract that from this 36. You will get the remaining side. So 12 plus 14 plus a equal to 36. So 26 plus a equal to 36. A is equal to 36 minus 26, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So the remaining side is, the third side is 10 centimeter. So next question number 13. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So we have to fence a square park. So this is a square park of side 250 meter and we need to fence it all four side. So what is the, first we have to find how much length of fencing is needed. That we have to find first. For that what we need to find? The perimeter of the square park we have to find first. So side of the square garden 250 meter. So perimeter 4 into side. So 4 into 250 equal to 1000 meter. So that much length we have to buy the fencing. Now the cost. See, rupees 20 per meter. For 1 meter it is 20 rupees. So what is the price? What the cost of this 1000 meter? 1000 meter, what do you have to do? 1000 into 20. That means you need 2000 rupees to fence the square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Clear? Now moving on to question number 14. Find the cost of, again the same type of question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So instead of square it is rectangle. So length and breadth of the rectangle given. So you can find the perimeter. Because it is fence, we have to find the length, first total length of fence we have to find out. For that, we have to find the perimeter of the park. Perimeter 2 into L plus B, 2 into 175 plus 125, which is equal to 600 meter. Now the cost of fencing 12 per meter. 1 meter 12 rupees. So 600 meter, how much rupee? Into 600 into 12, that is rupees 7,200. Next question, question 15. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with a length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? Okay, so square park, Sweetie runs around this. And this is a rectangular park of length and breadth 60 meter and 45 meter, and Bulbul runs around this. So let us find who runs. Okay, so side of the square park 75 meter. So perimeter of the square park 4 into side. 4 into 75, which is equal to 300 meter. That means the distance Sweetie runs is 300 meter. Now let us find about Bulbul. The length of the rectangular park is given, breadth is given, 60 and 45 we got it. Now the perimeter of the rectangular park, 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 60 plus 45, 2 into 105 equal to 210. So Bulbul covers a distance of 210, whereas Sweetie covers 300 meters. So who covers less distance? Yes, Bulbul covers less distance. Understood? Next, I think the last question number 16. What is the perimeter of each of the following figures? It's not the last question. One more is there. Yeah. What do you infer from the answers? Okay, let us find. First, it is a square. All the sides equal. So, perimeter 25 into 400. Okay. Second one is a rectangle. So, 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into 30 plus 20. 2 into 50. Again 100. Third one also a rectangle. So, length is 40, breadth is 10. So, again we are getting the perimeter 100 centimeter. And last one, it's a triangle. And 30 plus 30 plus 40, 100. So, that means all these figures have equal perimeter. Now, the last question of this exercise. Avneet buys 9 square paying slabs, each with a side of half meter. He lays them in the form of a square. What is the perimeter of his arrangement? And the second part of that question, Shari does not like his arrangement. She gets him to lay them out like a cross. What is the perimeter of her arrangement? Which has greater perimeter? Avneet wonders if there is a way of getting an even greater perimeter. Can you find a way of doing this? The paving slabs must meet along complete edges. That is, they cannot be broken. So let us now see the figure. So this is the figure. So what was the first question? Remember, we will just quickly see the questions once again. So yes, slabs each. So each is a square with a side a half meter, and we need to find the perimeter of figure 1. Okay, so let us find the perimeter of the first figure. So each square of side half meter given. So first we have to find count how many are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 square sides are there, each of half meter. So what is the perimeter? 12 into half, which is equal to 6 meter. Now the second part, what was the question? It is Shari does not like this arrangement. She gets him to lay them out like crows. What is the perimeter of her arrangement? So figure 2, that we have to find also. We have to find the which has a greater perimeter. Okay. So let us count here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 are there. 20. Same 9 slabs arranged. No, see the difference in the perimeter. See the difference when you change the shape. So perimeter here is 10 meter. So the second figure has greater perimeter. Now you make any other arrangement where you can get a perimeter which is greater than the 10 meter or less than 6 or in between 6 and 10. Please try, children. Arrange them in different orders and try and share your answers with your teacher. Okay, so that's the end of this exercise 10.1. So meet you with exercise 10.2 soon. Till then, Bye from Meera Sadish.